Alright, investors, let's dive into the latest stock and crypto trends for the week of July 6th through July 10th, 2026. If you're looking for what's moving the markets and where the smart money is flowing, you're in the right place. Starting with Wall Street, what a ride! The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq both closed the week in the green, with the S&P up 1.2% and the Nasdaq topping it at 1.7%. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones actually slipped 0.5%, despite kicking off the week at a record high. The big story? Tech is still king. AI and semiconductor stocks are where the party's at. Chip manufacturers and infrastructure companies just keep drawing in institutional cash. Investors can't seem to get enough of the long-term AI story, even as some folks are taking profits along the way. But of course, all eyes were also glued to inflation data and what the Fed might do next. The hope is that a little policy easing could be on the horizon, which has been fueling those high-growth tech names. On the flip side, defensive stocks are getting left behind as investors chase growth. Now, let's pivot to crypto, because July's second week brought some much-needed sunshine to the digital asset space. After a rough June, Bitcoin spent most of the week trading between $62,000 and $64,000, ultimately finishing up about 4%. Ethereum outperformed, climbing 4 to 5% and holding strong near 1770. Elsewhere, XRP and BNB posted small gains, while Tron was a standout, and Solana rebounded late in the week, though it didn't quite keep pace with the rest. The real headline for crypto? Bitcoin ETFs. After 8 straight weeks of outflows, US spot Bitcoin ETFs saw nearly $200 million in net inflows. That's a big confidence boost from institutions, and Ethereum ETFs saw some action too. So, what were investors watching last week? On the stock side, it's all about AI earnings, inflation numbers, and the ongoing semiconductor boom. In crypto, it's ETF inflows, institutional buyers, and that all-important risk appetite, making a comeback after June's sell-off. Looking ahead, I'll be keeping a close eye on more inflation data, earnings releases, and especially what the Federal Reserve has to say. On the crypto front, let's see if Bitcoin can hold above 64,000, and if the Nasdaq can keep charging higher. Remember, this update is for informational purposes only, not investment advice. Markets can turn on a dime, so always do your own research and, when in doubt, talk to a pro. If you found this update helpful, hit like and subscribe for more market insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.